In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. By the end, you'll have your Cash App card connected and your Apple Cash balance funded, so you can tap to pay straight from your iPhone or Apple Watch. Have your iPhone unlocked and ready, and be prepared to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode as we go. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Look for the Apple Cash option and turn it on. Apple Cash is the balance that lives in your wallet and powers person-to-person transfers and Apple Pay transactions. If the toggle is off, you won't be able to move money into Apple Cash. Once you enable it, your Apple Cash card will appear in the Wallet app and be ready to receive funds. Next, open Cash App and make sure you have an active Cash App card on your account. This is the debit card tied to your Cash App balance, and it's what you'll use to fund Apple Cash. In Cash App, go to the Card tab and choose Add to Apple Pay. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your Cash App card to Apple Wallet. You may be asked to confirm some details or approve the addition on your device. When you're done, your Cash App card will appear alongside your other cards in the Wallet app. Now you're ready to move money. Open the Wallet app and select your Apple Cash card. Tap the More button in the top corner, the one with three dots, and choose Add Money. Enter the amount you want to transfer. On the funding screen, select your Cash App card as the source. This tells Apple Cash to pull the money from your Cash App balance via the Cash App debit card you just added. Review that everything looks correct, then confirm the transfer with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The transfer typically processes quickly, and the amount you entered will be added to your Apple Cash balance. That's it. Your money is now in Apple Cash and ready to use with Apple Pay wherever it's accepted, in stores, in apps, and online. If anything doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and check your balances in both apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.